Are you getting a sorry you have been blocked message while using ChatGPT? Hi, I'm John, and in this video, I'll show you how to solve this problem. So let's get started. Solution 1. Before trying anything, make sure that you're not using any VPN, and if you are, please disconnect it. To do this, open up Settings on your computer, then click on Network and Internet from the left side menu, and click on VPN. Now, just click Disconnect next to the VPN's name if you're using one. Lastly, try reloading the page to check ChatGPT is working properly. Solution 2. If ChatGPT is still showing the error, try clearing out OpenAI site's cache. To do this, first open the browser you're using for ChatGPT. In my case, it's Chrome. Next, click on the three dots icon near your profile picture, then select Settings. Then click on Privacy and Security. Now just scroll down a bit on the right side panel and click Third-party cookies. Next, scroll down again and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Then, in the search box, type OpenAI and click on the trash can icon next to the openai.com. Then select Delete from the pop-up window. Now all the offline data, cache, and cookies will be deleted from ChatGPT. After this, just reload the page and log back into your account. Now the problem should be solved. Solution 3. However, if you're still facing this issue, turn off any browser extension that interact with ChatGPT. To pull this off, click the extension icon on your browser, then click on Manage Extensions. From this page, either turn off all the ads on just the ones that work with ChatGPT, just like before. Reload the page now. Hopefully ChatGPT should start working. And guys, that's how you fix sorry you have been blocked issue on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button. If you have more questions about ChatGPT, feel free to drop them in the comments. And I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.